Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Many young parents want to know how to behave with their kids. With their kids. Kids might be 3-year-old, 4, 5, means very, very young. They don't know what is what. Then how we can be good parents, what we should speak in front of them, how we should behave in front of them, what we should talk in front of them, they want to know. Okay, let me tell you. See, small children, they are very much scared about the things and all. They don't know how to behave or what parents are doing. They only follow the parents. That is what they do. So, parents should behave in such a way how they want their children to behave. Whether they want their children to fight all the time? No. Then whether the mother and father should fight? No. Whatever differences of opinion you are having, don't talk it in front of your kids. That is the first thing. So behave how you expect your child to behave in future. Behave in that way. Now, as I told you, our small kids, they don't have much knowledge about the world. So, don't talk about job-related problems because the child gets scared. If my dad loses his job, what he will do? How he will look after me? He feels like that. So such things should not be discussed in front of the kids. And how your behavior should be very positive, optimistic behavior. Yes, we can do it. So many things we have completed, we can do this. About health issues, no, don't speak anything about health issues because immediately the child is watching something on the screen. It connects. Oh, if it happens, if my mother dies, it speaks in that way. That is why we should not speak such things in front of the children. About the death and all, no, don't speak. That is why we never take the small children for burial or cremation and all. So don't speak. When they grow up, when they start going to the school, when they learn, read, they will know everything. At that time when they ask the questions, answer rightly as it is. But when they are small, don't, because they get scared. Next, about the loss. You might have incurred loss in your business or job, whatever it is. Don't talk in front of the kids. Kids get scared. And don't gossip about others. Because we don't want our children to become gossip makers. No. Another thing what I have seen the parents doing, they speak negative things about the teachers, about the education system and all. No, don't speak. If you speak like that, oh, nowadays teachers, they don't know anything. They don't get job anywhere, that is the why they go for teaching. Then what the respect child will have about the teacher? Oh no. At least in front of the children, don't speak that. Because child feels that his teacher or her teacher knows everything. And don't tease the children. Don't tease them. If you tease them, what happens? They feel bad. They feel very sad. Whatever, he might be, what I can say, fat, he can be thin, he can be dark, whatever it is. But don't tease, don't laugh, don't make fun of the children. Don't say anything negative to the children about them or about others. Another important thing is about divorce related problems. Don't speak such things in front of the children because children get scared. So we have to love the children. We should not speak bad anything about them or about the others. Moreover, we want to make our children courageous, brave, optimistic with the positive attitude. You have to do at least some things with clear notion. In the morning, okay, your child has to go to the school, he is still sleeping. How you will go and wake him up? Don't tell you are Kumbhakarna or what, you don't want to go to school or what. No. Go near him, hug him tight, kiss him, tell I love you, my loving child, good morning, how are you? Speak like this. And then play with him for 5 minutes. Then he will be getting up. In the same way, even at night also, before he goes to bed, tell him good stories because it will make him courageous, it will make him brave. So tell him stories and then only let him go to the bed. Not after watching the TV he will go and sleep. No, never do like this. And moreover, one very, very important thing is never compare your children with others. It can be his cousins, it can be his classmates, it can be your neighbors, whoever. Otherwise, I have seen the parents telling, see the neighbor's child, how he studies well. And what about you? No, never tell like that. Suppose if the child tells and compares you to somebody else's parents, what you will feel? No, that is why don't make this mistake. So, when the children are small, kids, it is in our hands how to bring them up. No doubt afterwards when they grow up, when they go into the society, they will learn so many things. I do agree. But whatever we can do as the parents, it is our duty. Because our parents have given us good culture, good sanskar. That is why we are here today. Now tell me, is it not our duty to pass on the same to our kids? Definitely yes. We have to pass on the same culture, the same love, the same affection to our kids. We have to make them strong. We have to make them courageous. So, being the parents, it is our duty to inculcate good qualities in our children. And while inculcating good qualities with them, we have to test ourselves. We should follow the good qualities. We should have the good habits. Then even our kids will follow the same. If you want to tell anything else, Please let me know in the comment box. Have a nice day.